Hey everyone, this is Tobias from mockupeditor.com. I'm very excited to show you this new mockup editor. We've been working on it for a very long time now. It's basically everything you know from the Photoshop file, but just without Photoshop. And everything works directly in your browser now. Alright, as always, I'll try to keep it short, so let's get started. As you can see, the desk is still very resizable, just as in the Photoshop file. If you want to change the actual look of the desk, you just right click on it. You can change the surface, the legs, or the shape. Let's change the surface into a white marble here, and let's change the legs into some black thin ones, and let's change the shape into any of these. Actually, I think I will go with the double layered one. That's the one I prefer for this example. To change the background, you can go down to the categories here and select any background you like, or you can just simply right click on the background, change wall background. As you can see, there's a lot of new background here. Let's try the red bricks, but I think I will go with the white crack for this example. And now let's add some items here. I'll add a IMAX screen here, like that, and let's add a keyboard. I'll just drag it in here. Let's add a mouse and a stylus. There's one down here now, there, and a lamp. To get a better overview, you can just click on the category here, and you can see all of the items in better view, like this. Alright, one of the main features I would like to show you here is the way we position the items when you move them around. If you want this stylus pin to be behind the lamp, you simply just drag it behind the lamp. It will automatically set the position of the item you're dragging according to the other items around it. It works with all the items, the mouse here as well. You can just drag it around. Have a play with it. It's actually quite fun to do, especially if you come from the Photoshop version where you have to drag the layers around manually. Another really great feature I like to show is the way you change colors of items. Let's take this lamp. If you want to change the color from yellow, you just right click on it and you can slide the color here. Or you can simply click down here and slide it as well here. This is where the property of the items come. For example, if I click on the screen here, you can see that there's add photo and hide logo. So if I click on hide logo, it hides the logo. So I'll just change this into a reddish orangish one. This is what I prefer. Alright, let's add a few more things here. I'll add the radio here and the radio on the left side here. And there is a cup I would like to get. It's one of the new items. Let's add this one here, and I'll take some paper. There it is. And I think this one would be good. Yeah, I like that. I think I'll put it here. So as you can see, it's very easy to move the things around. You don't have to think about where you're positioning them. It does it automatically for you. One of the main features that I know most of you guys have been waiting for is the way we now add poster frames to the scene. Here I have a poster that's 14 by 17 inch, and I have one that I would like to display in 50 by 70 centimeters. The way I add a poster frame is by going into the frame category and selecting the style I like. I'll take this one. Here you add the size, that will be 14 by 17, and then make sure it's on inch, and then create now. And then the editor will create it in the size you just entered. The way you add your design into this is by clicking here and selecting it via the finder, or by simply just dragging it into the frame like this. Just positioning and then use image. Then the editor will fit it into the frame like that. Now let's add another one. I think I'll go with the regular white one here. And the size was 50 by 70 centimeters, so you'll add 50 here and 70 here, and then make sure you choose centimeters here. I'll drag the image in here like this, and I'll just position it. I think this is the best position. I'll just click here and the image is in the frame. I'll just put it up here. You can put it on the desk if you like, but I think I'll put it here. And real quick, I'll just add the website screenshot here. There we go. And move this down to here. Oh, and I almost forgot, if you add a plant like this, you can click on the pot. If you right click, you can change the pot type. So let's say you want a yellow one like this. I'll just make the desk a little bigger. You can actually change the pot color, and you can remove the logo if you like. So that's just a little extra thing here. I hope you guys will enjoy this. If you have any ideas, any suggestions, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. But for right now, I just hope you get some great scenes out of it. Enjoy.